Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to open up a clothing subscription from Fashom. If you've never heard of Fashom before, they are a clothing stylist, not subscription, but service. Sometimes I'm not like in the mood to buy new clothes. Trust me, that does not happen often. You all know how I love to shop, but this way, if I wanted to wait 6 months or 8 months before I buy something, I actually could. So if anybody's even on a low buy, this is a service for you because you can space it out as far as you would like. It's a $15 styling fee, but for your first styling, and I'm gonna put a link down below. For your first styling, it's free styling fee. Then you have a stylist that you work with. I had a phone call with a stylist, went through everything. They had a really good questionnaire, like everything about you. I will say this though, after you go through the styling, they give you some choices, and I didn't love my choices that I got. So I don't think that I interviewed very well or did the questionnaire very well or got through what I really wanted. But then I emailed my stylist a link to a Pinterest board of like outfits that I like. And I honestly loved everything she added, that it was hard for me to pick just 5 items. They send you a link. You click on the link and then you select from the available options. I believe there was 7 options, and you're supposed to choose 5 for them to send to you. They also have a give back story, $1 from every box from that $15 styling fee. $1 goes to Second Chance Rescue in New York City. So in addition to the free styling fee, anybody gets the free styling fee even if you don't use my referral link. But if you use my referral link, you also get a $10 credit that you can use whenever you check out. You'll get a lovely box like this in the mail, and then you have 3 days to try it on, and there's a return envelope, so you just check out which ones are you keeping, which ones are you sending back. You put everything in the return envelope, and you just mail it off. First thing that's different is that it's not a subscription. Second thing that's different is they had a phone call with me. I didn't just fill out a quick survey, there's still a survey as well. But after the survey, you set up a phone call and you get on that and you chat with your stylist. So it was really fun to talk to her. It was like really easygoing. And then the third thing is you get some customization. You actually get to see the items before they send them to you. I don't know how many times I would get a clothing subscription and I would literally hate every single item. But in this case, I got to see everything before I got it here. Some of them might not fit me just right, and for those I would send back, but I already think everything is cute just looking at it. So it's really different than all the other ones. It's really good. Honestly, I'm excited. I have really bad body confidence. It doesn't matter what size I am. I could be a size 10 or I could be a size 0. I've just like hated my body my whole entire life. Yeah, but thank you so much to Fashom because offering me this opportunity to review this box it's helping me jump into the deep end. So special shout out to Fashom. I am so excited to try the products. I literally loved everything I picked out. So right up top here, we have a little card and it says, "Hello, beautiful," and thank you. So this shows the invoice and how much everything is priced. I did get a pair of earrings. And I know no matter what, I'm keeping these. Like, I just know, just from looking at them. And the cool thing about these earrings are that they are sustainably made. It says, "Join the movement, sustainable fashion for a healthier and ethical planet." So this is made from a material that is sustainably sourced. Really, really love that. And look how cute they are. They're so adorable. This shirt, and they sent it to me in a large, this one, and it has this cute ruffle. I love these types of colors. Obviously I'm like almost wearing that color right now, and I love polka dots, so this is so me. And this one they sent in a large. I do have like a larger chest size. Anything that's like too fitted, I did tell them I size up if it's too fitted like in the chest area or if it's too fitted right in the where the waist cinches in. And this is off the shoulders. I remember it being off the shoulders. I told her like my shoulders and my back are like the part of my body that I like love to show off. So for the off the shoulder shirt, the brand is Crescent, and I got this in a medium as well. So this is a very like flowy, loose shirt, but it sits off the shoulder. Then we got a dress, and I did mention that I'm super short, so I need like a really short dresses or else they look too long on me. So this is like a cute, like non-fitted dress. It just like goes out like this. You'll see when I try it on. And they sent me the dress in a medium. So this one is a medium. And then last are the shorts that I was talking about. These are Lucky brand shorts. I do love Lucky brand, which is why they're so expensive. But these are so cute, right? Okay. For the Lucky shorts, they sent these to me in a size 8. They look like they have some distressed front pockets, and this is like really perfectly my style. They look like the perfect length. They're like a little bit long. So this is just the screen for the checkout process. You can leave notes about each item. You can also review each item, whether you're adding it to cart or not. I go around this little thing for a while, add all of my notes, and then you add a total note about the styling and you move on to the checkout screen to see how much it's gonna cost. I saw that I would get a discount for keeping 3 items. I was thinking of only keeping 2 because although I did really like how almost all the items looked on me, some just fit me like just a tad off. It was worth it to get 25% off on all 3, so yeah, that made this one kind of like a deal to keep it. So that is my review on Fashom. Again, I have a referral link down below. If you use my referral link, you get a $10 credit. I definitely recommend it. This gets 2 thumbs up for me, and I will honestly be getting another box, and I will do another video when I get the next box. So definitely, obviously this one was sent to me with a credit, but you will see another one in the future that I will spend my own money on, and I will definitely be getting it again. I would never recommend something unless I would get it myself. Like I said, there's a referral link down in the description. It gives you $10 credit, so your first styling, you don't have to pay that $15 fee. You get to get all of those products to review, and if you used my link, you also get $10 off of anything that you end up keeping. Let me know what you think about Fashom down below. Have you heard about it before? I definitely have seen it in some other channels. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!